You know, for a homeowner to do this job, you know, have a sawzall so you can cut some of the big roots. We have a giant silver maple and the roots have been non-stop. We just keep hitting one anchoring root after another. And some of these are literally as big as my thigh. I mean, it's crazy how much wood has come out of this trench. So we haven't made really good progress because every foot there's another giant anchoring root. But the good news is we have a lot of slope. I mean a lot of slope to our chambered sump pump system, and we're gonna drain this yard out. It's gonna rip, man. It's gonna rip. We're at 2% slope. You know, just a layman's way of doing that is for every 100 inches you want 2 inches of drop. Now it's not exact, but it's darn close. So for homeowners, no need to worry. Just take a measuring tape, and for every 100 feet of length of trench, for every 100 inches length of trench, you want 2 inches of depth. That's a real easy way to be very, very close to 2% slope.